Hi, welcome to our Croatian homestead. As I've been busy around the property and trying to clean everything up, I have neglected my workshop. I mean, it looks like a bomb exploded here. As I was working, I was basically just putting stuff in one spot, other spot, and now I can barely walk here. So the plan is for today to clean this mess up and get a workbench there, some shelves underneath, and probably a shelf above it, so I can actually walk in here and this can be nice. I won't probably get too much done today. I had to do some work regarding my little chickens, as we had a hawk who's been cleaning them up lately, so now they're safe. Let's start on this project and see how far we get in the next few days. Good morning. We are back in my workshop and not much has been done. We've been busy with just a few different things, and today the little baby chicks are hatching, so we've got to prepare for them. We've got to make them a brooder. I've got Andre here helping me today. Hopefully we can get that done quickly. We also bought some more butter beans to plant, so they have to go in. I hope they we'll get another picking out of them. So that's the plan for today. Trying to do a little bit of organizing, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's get to work. We bought some little chick starter, so now we just have to get ready and clean everything up and prepare for them. The little chicks I'll put in one of these boxes. I haven't still managed to paint the rest of the place, but you know what, it is what it is. I've got to clean. I'll clean all the boxes out, everything out as good as possible, and we'll get the little chickies to go in here. A mistake that I've made, I have let the little chicks roam around and they got a bit bigger, and this was open like this, and they've been pooping all over the place, on the wall and everywhere. Another lesson learned, not gonna let that happen again. The table that I've got here, I haven't used still. I think it's still the waste of space, so I'm thinking that's gonna go. One good thing is that I left these drawers. I'm keeping food in them, and what happens is the chickens, when they scratch, the food doesn't get everywhere under the straw, so they don't really waste it. If I put the little feeders for the little baby chicks, the big chicken, when the broody hen, or the hen that's when the with the chickens, she just spills it over, and with these things, yeah, they work great.
Machines can help a little bit for the hot stuff. Machines should help for the hot stuff. But the rest of the
I wish I had some more paint to paint this corner now, but I don't, so it is what it is, I guess. I'll have to just come back to it when I get some paint. I'm gonna prioritize, so do what is immediately important, and then if I have time to do the rest, I mean, the winter will be downtime where I have more time to clean up and do things. Everything will slow down. So this looks much better now. It's nice and clean. I'm not gonna make the mistake of letting the baby chicks just roam around and everywhere. I've got the boxes made, they can stay outside now. And this is gonna stay much cleaner and easier for me to maintain. I'll just let this dust settle a bit and then we'll continue with work. Dobro. Nemoj da ti iscuri. Čuvaj to. Pusti. Sad pusti. Tako. Eto. Pa sad. Ovako. Drži ovo. Ups, odem se. Drži ovo. Možemo sve fino otvoriti. Idemo sad lampu. Polako, it's leg, it's stuck, čekaj. Ajde sad. Polako. Nogica mu zapela, evo ga, bravo. Yeah.
My cord is swelling. That's the one that's still trying to get dry.
So we have transferred all the chicks. Most of them are the Croatian chicks. I got 4 eggs gifted with the blue laying or turquoise blue greenish laying eggs hens. So they've all hatched. We've got the one that's just hatched. We leave it in the incubator till it dries off, and then we'll transfer that as well across. These eggs are hatched from the broody hen that I had, and she actually jumped off the eggs. So I realized that she went off the eggs and put them into the incubator that was going. The other eggs that are in the incubator now, they're due in about 4 days. So these all have hatched, which is really, really good. I had another broody hen that had 11 eggs under her, and she jumped off the nest as well, but I lost those eggs. Anyway, that's it for now. We gotta go do some more work.
My carrots are pretty much doing the best. There's a lot of flat beans. My beans are going better than his peas are going better than mine. Because I haven't found a single bean.
The potatoes I had here, I've picked them all, put my first compost on the bed, and yesterday I planted beans. I had about 10 kilos of potatoes in there, but all the big clumps or big heads that I have, the mice ate half of them, quarter of them, so it was a bit of a waste, but at least we got 10 kilos, which is not too bad. Yesterday I have cultivated this bed. I had beans in here. We've picked a couple of kilos of beans from here, and now I've put a wheelbarrow of compost on there. One wheelbarrow is obviously not enough. It's a sandy clay soil. It doesn't retain nutrients very well, so the more compost I put on there, it will be better. Well, with time the soil will improve, and I can do all I can do is what I can do, and put as much compost as I have on it. And you know, one day, 1 year, it will be nice. I had peas here. We've picked about 5 kilos of peas from this bed here alone. Now I've got beans growing. I've got to figure out where I put another set of peas. With all the moisture we had, the tomatoes are not doing well. I'm thinking that I just plant peas between them, just get them growing, and see if the tomatoes are gonna do anything, because I'm honestly not sure what to do with it. The peppers this year are kind of okay, but not nowhere near good what I was expecting. But for the first year, I think we've done really, really well. I've picked quite a few butter beans from this bed here, and we got zucchinis next to it. They've been growing really, really well for us. So the garden this year was definitely worth it. The sweet potatoes and the pumpkins are starting to grow quite well. Hopefully we'll have some to pick this year. Then I've got to figure out something to do with these weeds here. Whatever the sweet potatoes and the pumpkins don't kill, I'll have to, sort it out. I've planted my 3 rows at this is 9-meter long bed, and I have used exactly 100 grams of seed that I bought. So it was perfect. So now I can remember for next time. 9 meters, 3 rows, 100 grams of beans. Perfect. That's enough. That's planted. Now I'm gonna go check on the little baby chick if it's dry and can be put with the other ones. And we can check the other ones if the heat lamp is on the right height. Bit će on dobar, ajde uzmi ga. Looks like they're good. Some are running around, some are under the light, some are on the side of the light, so looks okay for now. I'll just check later this afternoon just to make sure. So this bit is finished. Chickies are all nice and good. The grass on the path is quite tall, so let's mow it. And this looks much better now. Just have to get the trim out and do a little bit of trimming, and Andre can do around the garden and the easy bits and pieces. But I think it's beer time now. Cheers. This is great as well. Enjoying myself. So we are finished for today. Everything looks nice and great. It's just past 1, it's nearly 1:30. We're gonna pack up and go have some lunch home. My workshop is not done again, but I guess there will be some time when I can get it done. at least this looks great. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy this video as well, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.